Well guys, I'm working on a 2007 Saturn Aura Xr 3.6 liter with multiple issues with the engine, oil leaking from the bottom of the oil pan. From what I've identified, it seems that we have a leak on the catalytic converters. The catalytic converter prior assembly was broken in multiple places on the flex joints. The aftermarket ones that I purchased apparently come as a separate assembly. And I'm going to show you the video here in the second one of what these pipes look like. I purchased the ones that were on Amazon because the parts from the OEM have been discontinued subsequently. Unfortunately, since there is a discontinued part order, I was hoping that the ones from Amazon would be decent. There was only good reviews on them, and they were the only reviews. I placed a 1-star review on there that was a detailed explanation about what happens when someone welds blindfolded with their hair on fire. So as you can see here, the oil pan is leaking because the catalytic converter that was here prior to this ran from the cutoff pipe all the way up to the bottom of the catalytic converter assembly here, and then forward to the second catalytic converter assembly that would have been above here. When that flex joint breaks, it cooks the top of that oil pan right here in the image. And when it cooks that oil pan gasket, oil then begins to leak out of the top of the gasket. The oil contaminates the flex joint in the metal, causing the metal to then rust faster, degrade, and crack apart. When I pulled the pipes off, they just instantly snapped in half. Problem 1.